I just wanted to do a quick update video on the kitchen countertops we did. They look a little bit different from the last clip I showed you guys. We have since sanded these and polished these to a several thousand grit to get rid of the sheen. We found that after a few days they get super micro scratched, you know, being countertops and all. Everything kind of showed, so we went with this matte polish finish, and it actually feels a lot like stone. We ended up going with white uppers and black lower cabinets. We think it looks pretty sharp. We've been trying to figure out something different to fill in this little farmer's sink hole. We were thinking maybe a sheet of galvanized, or maybe just go with the satin black like the rest of the lowers, but we haven't quite decided yet. I didn't get any film of this, but we also did an epoxy kind of backsplash feature with similar coloring. It is also done to a matte sheen. These countertops have been in for a few months now, and I have to say they are holding up quite well. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Still kind of getting used to this whole holding a camera and talking thing. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, hit the bell. I really appreciate it. Thank you.